So here, in the straight lines, long answer questions, circumcenter and orthocentre questions are compulsory models. So in this circumcenter question, find the circumcenter of the triangle whose sides are x plus y plus 2 equals to 0, 5x minus y minus 2 equals to 0, and x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Here I am considering the given sides as AB, BC, CA. Okay. Here I took the first side as AB and BC and CA. Okay. So here here if you take the triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, AB is the first equation and BC is the second equation I took here, and this is CA equation 3. Okay. So now I am solving, I want the vertices. Here vertices are not given. So I want the vertices. For finding the vertices, we have to solve the lines, sides. Okay. So here equation 3 and 1, this is equation 3 and it is equation 1. Equation 3 and 1 both are intersecting at point A. So that means by solving the equation 3 and 1, we get A point. We get the point A. Okay, so that's why now I am solving equation 3 and 1. How do we solve? We take x, y and 1. Okay, so in this equation 3, y coefficient, we'll start from y coefficient. What is y coefficient here? Minus 2, 5, and then x coefficient, then again y coefficient. We'll start from y coefficient and we end with y coefficient again. Okay, so that means minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2. Okay, we written the same thing here, minus 2, 5, 1 and a minus 2. Okay, again for first equation also we'll start from y coefficient and end with y coefficient. 1, 2, 1, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 1. After that, x divided by, okay, so like AD minus BC. Okay, like determinant. Okay, we multiply the product of minus 2 and 2 minus 5 into 1 is equals to y by 5 into 1, the product of these 2 minus these 2. 5 into 1 minus 1 into 2 is equals to 1 divided by 1 into 1 minus 2 into 1. Okay, so that is nothing but x divided by minus 4 and minus 5 is equals to y divided by 5 and the 5y minus 2. Okay, so and 1 divided by 1 plus 2. Okay, so that means x by minus 9, y by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. So with the same table we can divide. Okay, so I have took the third table, 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. So x by minus 3. So I'm equating to, okay, so x value to constant and y also to constant. X by minus 3 equal to 1 and y by 1 is equal to 1. X is equals to minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Okay, and y is equals to 1. X, the vertex, the intersecting point of 3 and 1. Okay, this is equation 3, CA line, and equation 1 is AB line. Intersecting point is A. So we get a point here. Okay, what is A point? A point is minus 3 comma 1. A point is minus 3 comma 1. Similarly, we find the B point and C point also like the same thing. Okay, so now if you want to get the B point, okay, this is intersecting point of AB and BC. Means we solve the equation 1 and 2 to get the B point. If you want to get the C value, okay, so we solve the BC and CA. Means 2 and 3. By solving 2 and 3, like the same method, whatever we did, okay, we get the C point. We get the C point. Okay. Now, okay, we want the B point here. We want the B point. Okay, so if you want to get the B point, okay, so here solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. Again, we can take x, y, and 1. Okay, so for equation 1, y coefficient constant, x coefficient, again y coefficient. For equation 2, y coefficient constant, x coefficient, and y coefficient. Okay, once we'll check. Okay, so and x divided by, so how do we multiply? So 1 into minus 2 minus 2 into minus 1 is equals to y divided by 2 into 5, multiply these two minus these two. Okay. Now, okay, so here y divided by 2 into 5 minus 1 into minus 2. Okay, 1 divided by 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 5. Okay, so that means 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 only, plus and minus minus, and minus and minus plus 2 ones are 2 here, plus 2 is equals to y divided by 2 5 is 10 minus minus plus 2 is equals to 1 divided by minus 1 minus 5. Okay, so x by here, remember here minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled 0. Be careful here. Something by 0 is usually will think that it is undefined form and will left that. Okay, but don't do like that. Okay, so we have to equate this to constants.
Okay.
X by 0 is equal to minus 1 by 6. X is equals to 0. If we take it to that side, here it is dividing. If we take it to that side, multiplies. So 0 into something will become 0. X coordinate we get 0. Remember here. The coordinate x we are getting 0 here. Okay. And y by 12. Okay. So y coordinate also equating to constant. So y by 12 is equals to minus 1 by 6. Here 12 is dividing. If you take it to that side, multiplies. 12 into minus 1 by 6. 6 ones are 6 2s are. Okay. That means minus 2 we are getting here. Okay. So that means x value 0, y value minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2 is the required point here. We just now we got the B point. Now we want the C. How to get the C? So solving equation 2 and 3. Okay, x, y, 1, and we start with the y coefficient, constant x coefficient, y coefficient. Okay, again for third equation also. Okay, y coefficient, constant, x coefficient, and y coefficient. Okay, then we multiply. Okay, so how we are multiplying here? Minus 1 into 5 minus 2 into minus 2 is equals to y by minus 2 into 1 and 5 into 5. Okay, 1 divided by 5 into minus 2 and minus 1 into 1. Okay, so minus into plus minus 1 5 is a 5 minus 5 and minus into minus plus and minus minus. Okay, so that means we are getting minus 4 here. Y by minus 2 minus 5 is a 25. 1 by 5 to the 10 minus 10 and the minus and minus plus 1. Okay, that means here x divided by minus 9, y by minus 27, and 1 by minus 10 plus 1 means minus. So all these numbers divisible by 9. Okay, so cancel, you can take the 9 table. So 9 ones are 9 threes are 9 ones are. Okay, all the numbers. Okay, so in all these minus is common, so we can cancel all the negative signs. Okay, so that means x by 1 is equals to 1, x is equals to 1. Okay, and y by 3. So 9 3s are 27. So y by 3 is equals to 1. So y is equal to 3 1s are 3. So the point is 1 comma 3 here. 1 comma 3. Okay, this is a C point here. This is the C point. Just now we got A, B, C, all the 3 points. So after getting all the 3 points, so we have to start from here. If he gives the points, directly we solve from here. If he gives the lines, so finding out the points is extra. Okay, that's why. Okay, if you know this problem, you can solve with the points and with the lines. Okay, with the points means he will give the 3 points like this, and he will ask the find the circumcenter. Okay, so very simple. We start from here onwards. That okay. So with that there is no use. From here onwards, we'll start and we simplify. Okay. So lines means we are finding the okay. So points extra, vertices extra. Okay. So here the vertices of triangle ABC are A point is given, B point is given, C point is given. Okay, let S of S is equals to x comma y be the circumcenter. Okay, we are considering the circumcenter as S of x comma y. Here remember here I took one triangle here. Okay, the blue color one, and here I took the points whatever we got just now. So A, B, C are the points here. And circumcenter, what is circumcenter? Okay, if you draw a circumcircle means the circle which passes through the vertices, all the vertices of a triangle, okay, is called a circumcircle. The center of that circle is circumcenter. Okay, the center is equidistant from all the vertices. Okay, So that means SCA distance, SB distance, SC distances are equal. That is only the concept.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are using for solving this problem. SCA is equal to SB is equal to SC.
Plus 3.
Okay, squaring on both sides, SC square is equal to SB square is equal to SC square. Okay, so I am considering this as equation 4. So why? Because we are going to
Why do
use.
we square on both sides, sir?
Okay, why we are squaring on both sides? The reason is here we have the distance formula. Distance AB is equals to under root of AB x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula here. Okay, in this formula we have the square root. We have the square root. Okay, to cancel
Square.
that root we are squaring. Okay, before that only we are squaring.
Okay.
So here I am taking SC square is equals to SB square once, and we take SB square is equal to SC square once, or otherwise we can take SC and SC also. Any two will take, and will simplify. We get one equation. Okay. So now here I am taking SC square is equal to SB square. These two are okay. So I am taking here. So distance formula we are using. Okay, so distance formula. What is distance formula? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square
X2
plus
minus x1 whole
y1.
square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
Yes. Okay. So now I am applying here. Okay, so if you apply the formula for S and A, okay, here we have S and this is A. If we apply S and A, x minus of minus x plus 3 whole square and y minus 1 whole square. For this whole square we have, and SB. Okay, to this S and B point. Okay, this is the B point here. Okay, so now if we take the B point, S and B point. Okay, this is the B here and this is A. Okay, if we apply the formula for these two, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus of minus 2 y plus 2 whole square. For this again we have square, SB square, distance SB and whole square. Squares roots get cancelled, squares and roots get cancelled. Okay, so A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square formula we are applying here. X plus 3 whole square, x square plus 3 square 9 and 2ab, 2 3 is 6x, y minus 1 whole square, y square and 1 square is 1 and 2ab, 2 1s are 2y minus 2y and x minus 0 whole square, x square and y plus 2 whole square, y square plus 2 square 4 and 2 2s are 4y. Okay, so and here x square, y square we have left side and right side with the same sign we can cancel, or otherwise take one side and then cancel. Okay, so here 6x as it is I written here and minus 2y as it is and 9 plus 1 I written 10. Okay, right side terms plus 4 and plus 4y, taking left side, so we get minus 4 and minus 4y equal to 0. Write them in the order here, simplify. 6x, any more x terms? No. See, write 6x and minus 2y minus 4y minus 6y and 10 minus 4, 6 is equal to 0. Okay, take 6 common, x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. So finally x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so since take this 6 to that side, 0 by 6 means 0 only. Okay, we got one line. This line is a perpendicular bisector of, we took AC and SB, right? So we get the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, so here circumcenter is the intersecting point of perpendicular bisector. Okay, so now we want one more. Take SB is equal to SC. Take SB and SC. Okay, so SB square is equal to SC square. So under root of S and B distance. I am taking S and B distance here. Okay, this is S and this is B. X minus 0 whole square, y minus of minus 2y plus 2 whole square. Okay, is equal to S and C. Okay, so S and C means this is C point and this is S point again. Applying the distance formula here. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. For this we have whole square, squares and root gets cancelled. X minus 0 is x square, y plus 2, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. And y x minus 1 whole square, x square plus 1 minus 2x. Okay, y minus 3 whole square, y square plus 9 minus 6y, a square, y square, b square, 3 square, 2ab, 2 into y into 3, right? Okay, so 2 3 is the 6y we get. Okay, so that is nothing but x square, y square. We have both sides with the same sign, we can cancel. So the rest are 4 and 4y, left side part. Right side part, take them left side. So plus 1 becomes minus 1, plus minus 2x becomes plus 2x, and plus 9 became minus 9, and minus 6y we write as plus 6y. Write them in the order. Here 2x and okay, y terms here 4y and 6y, that is 10y. And 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 6, 3 minus 3 minus 9 is minus 6. Okay, take 2 common, x plus 5y minus 3 equal to 0. So that means x plus 5y minus 3 equal to 0 by 2 becomes 0 only. This is equation 6. By solving equation 5 and 6, we get the final answer. If it gives the point, it is very simple, very easy. From here onwards, okay, so we'll find this equation and this equation. Just by solving those two, we get the final answer. Okay, so here solving 5 and 6 now. Solving 5 and 6, x, y1, we start from y coefficient. Y coefficient constant, x coefficient and y coefficient. Okay, y coefficient constant, x coefficient and y coefficient.
Okay.
So then x divided by, again, AD minus BC formula we apply. Okay, product of minus 1 into minus 3 and 1 into 5. Okay, so is equals to y divided by 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 3 is equals to 1 divided by 1 into 5 minus 1 into 1. So x by, okay, 1 3 is a 3 minus 5 by is equals to y divided by 1 plus 3 is equals to 1 divided by 5 plus 1. Okay, so x divided by 3 minus 5 is minus 2, y by 4 and 1 by 6. Okay, take 2 table is common. Okay, so we can cancel by 2 table, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are. Okay, x divided by minus 1, okay, is equals to 1 by 3, and y divided by 2 is equals to 1 by 3. Okay, so here minus 1, okay, dividing if we take it that side, multiplies. So minus 1 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, and y is equals to 2 by 3. What is the circumcenter here? Okay, minus 1 by 3,
Minus
2 by 3. This
-3.
is the required solution. Understood?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir. No.
Okay, so next after here, orthocenter is nothing but the intersecting point of perpendiculars, altitudes. Okay, so if you take the diagram here, so just look at the diagram. Okay, so here from A point I am drawing the perpendicular altitude, okay, to BC. Okay, this is okay, so perpendicular line from A. Okay, so from B I am drawing the perpendicular line to CA. Okay, so the intersecting point of these two is called orthocenter. Okay, so means this point is the orthocenter. Okay, for finding this point, we want the equation of AD, BE and CF. ABC is the triangle. Okay, ABC, DEF. Okay, are the points with altitudes. Okay, from the vertices. Okay, so at least here we can find the 3 equations. Okay, but okay, for finding the intersecting point, we need at least 2 lines. Okay, for that we'll find the, okay, so AD and BE equations. We'll find the AD and BE equations. Find the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the sides 7x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0, x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0, x plus y plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, these are the given 3 sides. Okay, 3 sides are given. These 3 sides, I am considering one side as AB, one other one BC, one more is CA. Okay, so first equation I took as AB, BC, CA. AB, BC, CA. Okay, so now if we take them, okay, so here AB is equation 1, BC is equation 2, CA is equation 3. Okay, so I took them as okay, so 1 2 3 and solving equation 1 and 3. Okay, 1 and 3 means this is equation 1, this is equation 3, means we are taking the equation AB and the equation of CA. The intersecting point is A, so that means we get the A point by solving equation 1 and 3. Okay, so here I am solving equation 1 and 3. So x okay, so y and 1. So we start from the y coefficient. Okay, for first equation, y coefficient. Y we start from y coefficient and we end with y coefficient. Y coefficient constant, x coefficient, y coefficient, right? 1 and minus 10 and 7 and 1. Okay, so take third equation also like that, y coefficient and end with y coefficient. 1 2 1 1. Y coefficient constant, x coefficient, y coefficient. Again, x divided by, so multiply like this, AD minus BC like this. 1 into 2 minus 10 into 1. Okay, so y divided by, okay, so minus 10 into 1 minus 2 into 7 or 7 into 2 is equals to 1 divided by 7 into 1 minus 1 into 1. Okay, x divided by 1 2 is 2 minus plus 10, y divided by minus 10 minus 14 is equals to 1 divided by 7 1 is 7 minus 1. Okay, so that is 6. Okay, x divided by 12, y divided by minus 24 is equals to 1 by 6. Okay, so 6 table, we can cancel by 6 table. Okay, so all the numbers are divisible by 6, so that we can cancel. 6 1 is 6 4 is 6 2 is 12. Okay, so now we equate the x term to constant and y term to constant. Okay, so x by 2 is equals to 1 and y by 4 is equal minus 4 is equals to 1. So x is equals 2 into 1 is 2. 2 is dividing, if you take it that side, multiplies. Minus 4 is dividing, take that side, divides. Minus 4 into 1 minus 4. So vertex A is 2 comma minus 4. Just now we got the point. Okay, so 2 comma minus 4 is the vertex. After that, okay, here so AD I am taking, AD is a perpendicular, okay, altitude to BC. Let I am considering AD is perpendicular to BC, then perpendicular line equation formula we have. Okay, so we can use another concept also. 2-3 concepts are there for solving this. Okay, perpendicular line. So I am using the formula, this formula here. Okay, if we consider ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is a line, then perpendicular line formula, very simple. Okay, perpendicular line is nothing but just interchange the x coefficient to y, y coefficient to x, x coefficient to y, y coefficient to x. That means we write bx and ay. After that, from x subtract the x1, from y subtract the y1. Okay, in middle, if you have plus, write minus. If it is minus, write plus. Just change the sign. Change the sign. Okay. So now, here, I am applying the same here. Okay, so this is perpendicular to BC. What is BC equation? Equation 2 is a BC. This is a BC equation. Okay, I am interchanging the x coefficient to y, y coefficient to x. 2 and 1. Okay, here nothing is there means 1 into x and 2 into y. 1 and 2 interchanging here. Okay, so 2 writing for x and 1 writing for y. From x subtracting x1, from y subtracting y1. In middle we have negative sign, write positive sign. That's it. Very simple, easy. Simple and easy here. Okay, so now multiply here 2 into x minus and point I am substituting here. X1 y1 means we are going to substitute this point in this equation. Okay, so then 2 into x minus x1 means 2 plus 1 into y minus of y1. Y1 value is minus 4, minus of minus 4 becomes plus 4. Just multiply here 2 into x 2x, 2 to the minus 4. 1 into y y, 1 into y and 1 into 4 is 4. Okay, so that means write them in the order x term 2x and y term y, and plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled. So that is the 2x plus y equals to 0. This is equation number 4. Already we, okay, so in the given sides, three equations are given. That's why this is the fourth line. Just now we
Sir,
got
can you
the
re-explain this part again? I didn't understand.
yes, yes. Where this part,
From like, yeah, from where? Yeah, under vertex. Yeah.
yes, yes, under vertex. Yes. Okay, this is a perpendicular line formula. Okay, here perpendicular line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is a line here. Okay, if this is the line, perpendicular line formula, this is the formula here. Okay, so what is the formula? B into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 is equals to 0 is the formula. Okay, so what is the formula?
B into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 is equal to 0.
Is equal to 0. Means how we are getting the formula? Just check this. Okay, here for example ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. I want the perpendicular line of this. Okay, means very simple. Just interchange the coefficient. X coefficient we write to y coefficient we write to x. Means we write bx and ay. Do you have any doubt in this? No doubt, right?
No.
B I am writing to x, A I am writing to y, interchanging the x and y coefficients. Okay, so after writing that, from x subtract x1. Okay, from y subtract y1. Okay, in middle we have plus symbol, just change that symbol minus equal to 0. This is only the formula here. This is only the formula. Means b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 equal to 0. So what is the equation? This is a perpendicular line. For example, I know the line equation. Then what is the line equation which is perpendicular to this line? Means we use this formula. We use this formula. Okay. We have another concept also. So this is a little bit easy and simple. Okay. So within 2-3 steps we get the answer. Okay, otherwise we find the slope of this line and okay, with that slope and this point, slope point formula we use. We can use the slope point formula. Okay. So understood this formula? B into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 equal to 0. How we are writing? Just to focus more on that. Okay, how we are writing, how we are solving, simplifying. Okay, so now this AD, I want the equation of this AD, but I don't know AD equation. That's why I don't know anything. So just now we got the A point. Just now we got the A point. For that we need any one more value, either another point or a slope or anything. Okay. Here we have the concept of perpendicular. These two are perpendicular. So I am using that perpendicular concept. Okay. If we use that perpendicular concept, we can use this formula. By using this formula, okay, we can find the equation of AD. Okay. BC equation is given already here. So that is x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. If you want a perpendicular line, what we have to do? Perpendicular line means, okay, just interchange the coefficient of x and y. Okay, so that means here x coefficient 1, y coefficient 2. Okay, means we can write it as 2 into x and 1 into y, right? X coefficient to y, y coefficient to x. After writing that, okay, so from x I am subtracting x1, from y I am subtracting y1. Okay, so in middle we have minus symbol, so write plus symbol and equal to 0. Equal to 0. Once check this equation, whatever we written AD 2 into x minus x1 plus 1 into y minus y1 equal to 0. Is it same or not?
Yeah.
Yes, we interchange the x coefficient to y coefficient to x and subtracting x1 and y1 from x and y. Understood? After that, in
Yes.
place of x and y, we substitute this a point. Why? Because AD equation passes through a point. We have that point, substitute that point. Okay, so x minus x1 means 2 and y minus y1 minus of minus 4, that is plus 4. Okay, so now multiply here 2 into x 2x 2 into 2 4. Okay, 2 into x 2x. Okay, and minus 4. 1 into y 1 into 4 is 4 equal to 0. So write x term, y term. After that, plus 4 minus 4 cancel. So 2x plus y equals to 0 is the required altitude equation. Altitude equation. This is a, okay, so one equation. We are finding the equation of AD. Here side heading we kept equation of AD, altitude. Equation of altitude AD we are finding. After that, find the equation of BE or CF. We'll find BE, second priority. Okay, so that is nothing but how do we find the next equation? Same to same, no change in the.
Yeah.
Okay, so now finding the equation of BE. For that BE, we are solving equation 1 and 2. Okay, again y coefficient constant, x coefficient, y coefficient constant, x coefficient, y coefficient for equation 1 coefficient, equation 2 coefficients. Okay, after taking those we again we multiply 1 into 5 minus 10 into minus 2 is equals to y divided by minus 1 10 into 1 minus 7 into 5 is equals to 1 divided by 7 into minus 2 and 1 into 1. Okay, so x divided by 1 5 is 5 minus plus minus 20. Okay, y divided by plus here minus plus minus only minus 7 5 is 35. Okay, 1 divided by 7 to 14 minus 1. Okay, so that means x divided by minus 15, y divided by minus 45, 1 divided by minus 15. Okay, in all the terms here minus is common, so you can cancel minus and 15 also. 15 ones are 15 threes are 15 ones are x divided by 1. Okay, so equating to constant. Okay, 1 and y divided by 3 equating to constant. Okay. So x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 3 ones are 3. Vertex. What is the vertex here? Vertex B is equals to 1 comma 3.
Yes.
1 comma 3. Okay.
3.
So now here, so we are finding the B equation now. Okay. So in this triangle, okay. So AD is completed, perpendicular from A. Now finding the perpendicular line from B. Okay. So this is B and this is E. ABC is a triangle. Okay, then D and E I took. Okay, BE equation we are finding now. Okay, just now we got the B point. After that, let B is perpendicular to CA. B is always perpendicular to CA. Like that we are taking. Okay, E point. Now then we find the equation of B. How to find? Okay, for this is the formula here. Okay, we are writing the formula. This is the formula. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is a line, means perpendicular line formula. Just interchange the x coefficient to y coefficient to x. So, and change the sign in middle. Just now we discussed b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 equals to 0. Okay. So now here AC equation, both the coefficients are 1 only. If you take the equation of AC, just check the equation of AC. X plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, means x coefficient we write to y coefficient we write to x. Okay, so that means 1 and 1 only. Okay, so we are getting 1 and 1. Okay, so here are simply, okay, what is the equation? X plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. X coefficient I am writing to y coefficient I am writing to x. Okay, 1 and 1 into x, 1 into y. From x subtracting x1, from y subtracting y1. Okay, equal to 0. In middle we have plus, so write minus. So 1 into x minus x1 minus 1 into y minus y1 is equals to 0. This is the line equation, perpendicular line equation, that is BE. Understood till here?
Hmm.
Okay, this B is passing through B. Just now we got the B, just substitute that B point in this x1, y1. Okay, x1 means 3, 1 and y1 means 3. Okay, so 1 into x minus 1 minus 1 into y minus 3. Multiply here. 1 into x, 1 x only, 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into y minus y, minus into minus plus 1 3 is 3 here. Okay, x term, then y term, then 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation 5. Okay, now solving equation 4 and 5. Okay, so that means whatever we got AD equation and B equation, these two are altitudes, perpendiculars. If we solve these two equations, okay, so we get the intersecting point of altitudes, perpendiculars, that is only orthocenter. Very simple. Just practice once, twice, so that it is very easy. Okay, x, y, and 1. Okay, and we take the y coefficient constant, x coefficient, again y coefficient. Okay, so already we got the equation of AD, that is 2x plus y equal to 0. Okay, so if we take the y coefficient 1 and constant 0, 2, again 1. Okay, so next for this equation, y coefficient minus 1, minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1, again minus 1, y coefficient, x divided by AD minus BC, right? 1 2 is 2, minus 0 into something 0. Okay, y divided by 0 into 1 is 0, minus 2 to the 4 is equals to 1 divided by minus 2 minus 1. Okay, x by 2, y by minus 4, z by 1 by minus 3. Equate the constant to x and y. So x by 2 is equals to minus 1 by 3, y by minus 4 is equals to minus 1 by 3. So x is equals to 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. And y is equals to minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 by 3. Okay, so required orthocenter is minus 2 by 3 comma 4 by 3 is the required orthocenter. Understood?
Yes.
Any doubt?